Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and let's take a look at what we have. So here's just one of my plain white ones. It's a nice one. And this was made in, let's see what that is, F of 16. Good stampings on this one. Good sound. Lights up nice, but this is the one I want to look at. It's the Vault Zippo, made in E of 17, and it's got those heavy plates on the front, and it does look like a vault. Street chrome, and when you open it up, it's got the gold gold bricks inside. Quite a novelty. Does not have real good sound because of the plates on there, and I'm not going to fire this one up or do a drop test, but I will do a drop test on this one. A lit drop test. Failure. First time failure. One more time. Alright. Passed the drop test on the second try. So that is Zippo for Zippo Saturday. The Vault. It's a really nice one. It definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.